You must remember Yahweh while you're young, before the time of horror comes to haunt. When every day life's stupid says your tongue, what left is there for anyone to want? The sky is dark, and nothing ever shines. The clouds take off, and never cease the rain. The strongest men now trudge with weakened spines, and on the fields no farmer grinds the grain. You can't look out the window anymore, and every door's been shut for many years. A little chirp sounds like a lion's roar, and yet you can't make out the singer's cheers. You're always scared and never go outside, and you're depressed no matter what you do, because quite soon you'll take your final stride, and there'll be grief throughout the avenue. The silver cord has snapped, the golden bowl has cracked, the fountain pitcher's trapped, the cistern wheels being sacked, and now the dust heads out to meet the ground. And now the breath departs, it's heaven bound.